Oh yeah. Y'all watch this.
Last words of so many rednecks. Y'all watch this. Oh, look at that. Why does that thing do that? Okay, there we go. Down on low. Show y'all what I'm cooking. Big old bag of fries right there. I mean, I'm talking doomsday preppers. McDonald's fries. I'm gonna fry them last. Fish fillets and some German sausages. Folks, I've even got paprika. I've got chili, white pepper, salt, black pepper, all the players. Coming to you in the large 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker. Folks, that piece of gear right there is made in America by the good folks down in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, my friends. Oh Lord, I'm finna throw down. And it's a momentous day. Got me a new spatula. I gotta check it out, make sure it's ergonomic, but check that out, brand new. Let's paint these fish up. Let's paint them up, make them look nice and red. Spanish paprika. Make that a lot. Spanish paprika. A little chili powder. A little bit of flavor to it. Get it more red. White pepper. Oh yeah. And just a pinch of black pepper. Like that. Flip, 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 flip. Just a little pinch of salt. Alright, that one's ready to go. Let's see what we can do with the brand new flapper here. Look at that. Boneless fish fillet. Oh my goodness. There's one. And they're not going to take long. While they're cooking, I'll go ahead and paint these guys over here. Damn, fish fillets starting to stick. I don't know if I had the temperature too low, too hot, too long, but look at that. They're delicious, and the smell coming off of this lodge. Oh my God, it smells so good in here. But I did something wrong, it's starting to stick. Leave it down in the comments what I did wrong, please. I need to know. Damn, my fish fillet's sticking like crazy. I never have anything stick in the lodge. So it's not the lodge, it's the operator, it's the chef. I'm taking full responsibility for this fiasco. Delicious fiasco. Damn, my fish fillets have turned into fish souffle. Oh my God, I gotta call Gordon motherfucking Ramsay and figure out where I went wrong. Folks, I'm a redneck. All I know how to do is fry whole catfish when it comes to fish. I can grill mahi-mahi, but this is not normally what I do. Give me some whole catfish. Oh yeah, but these fish fillets, they'll probably come from China. That's a problem. Xi Jinping, you motherfucker, sending me these shit fish fillets. Shame on you. I mean, look, it's delicious, right? I know it's delicious. But you know what that looks like right there? Looks like the bottom of a Long John Silver's box back in the 80s. You know what I'm talking about? After church, you go to Long John Silver's, and the bottom you got all them crumbles, crispy crumbles. Long John Silver's back in the day used to be the and then they faded away. Captain D's took over. I don't know what's going on with either one of them franchises today. I have no idea. But I remember back in the 80s, you reach down in the bottom of that Long John Silver's box, get them crumbles. Oh my goodness. All right, so look, I got these German sausages in here. That is the leftover fish. That's going to be absolutely Long John Silver's delicious. Oh, it's going to be a It's gonna be a pain, but it's not. All I'm gonna do is drain the grease out, put some water in there, boil it. That shit will come right out. So easy dealing with cast iron. But operator error, maybe it's because of 2 beers and the rum I drink. But that is Long John Silver's crispy, delicious. And I'm digging this new spatula, but it's nowhere near my old one. But it's pretty ergonomic, lightweight. And not only is this a scraper, but it's a scoop too. It's got a little concave, like a spoon action going on. An old lady swore up and down that she peeled the plastic off of these here German sausages. You come to Southeast Asia, you buy hot dogs, be advised, they're individually wrapped in plastic. I ate about a dozen batches of hot dogs with plastic melted on it before I figured that shit out the hard way in Thailand. I'm old enough now, I can tell on myself. We're like, what the fuck? These are the worst hot dogs in the world. You know why? Because they had a plastic coating. We were eating fucking plastic for about a dozen meals. Dumbass Americans trying to figure this shit out. But you know what? In America, they don't come like that. Over here, they do. So the old lady already took off the individual plastic wrappers. These gonna be some good dogs here. You're in bones since I lost you. Lost your wife. Lost means like she's no longer with us. Your wife ran off. You didn't lose her. She's not lost. Whatever. Look at them dogs. Only thing that's left is them French fries. Folks, that's a good thing about the Lodge 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker. This is the lid. This is one piece. When you order this, this is the best piece of kitchen weaponry ever invented. This is the lid, right? It can also act as a Dutch oven. But if you're trying to fry an egg or stuff like this, the lid is better because it's thicker. That's my opinion. The lid is thicker than the bottom of this. And this thing right here is a champion for frying eggs, doing exactly what I'm doing. Now look, the French fries need to go in here, but it's all jacked up. So they got to go in here. Not what it's designed for, but oh my God, the lid to the Lodge 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker. Piece of gear right there is made in America by the good folks down in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, my friends. Shout out to all y'all working the grind at the Lodge Foundry in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee. I've been using this product every damn day, every night. It's been camping, it's been up mountains, it's been washed in salt water. It's been torture tested since I got this thing years ago. It's the best piece of kitchen weaponry you can buy, in my opinion. You want a one purchase solution to all your cooking needs? The Lodge 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker with a couple of dog bowls and a dog strainer. Where's that other dog bowl? Oh, right here. Get you 2 dog bowls and 1 dog bowl strainer in the Lodge, and get you 1 good trusty spatula. This was that's just a backup. I got this one right here today, brand new. Look at that. I didn't even put the cuts in there. Well, maybe the old lady did. I don't know. I don't think, maybe it came with the cuts. I'm not real sure. I didn't pay attention. We don't talk too much these days, so I don't know. I'm not even gonna ask her. You can leave in the comments and ask her, did she put the cuts in the hot dog? Or did the hot dogs come with the cuts? Or is it physics? Don't know. Oh yeah, them German sausages, they done. They coming off there right now. My goodness. See what we got going on here. Oh yeah. right, let's give these fries some flavor. A little fish flavor. Why not? Get in the pool. Fish flavor fries. Right there, fish and chips. Fish and chips. Gordon Ramsay don't know that trick. Now they're gonna taste like that fish right there. Look at that. Oh Lord, what can I do? Damn culinary genius. Texas. That's why I hang my hat in Angeles. George Strait. My exes live in Texas. Texas is the place I'd really love to be. Remember that old Frio River where I learned to swim. Brings to mind another time where I wore my welcome thin. Transcendent meditation, I could go there each night. Long before daylight, all my exes live in Texas. At least one does. Texas is the place I'd really love to be. But all my exes live in Houston. And that's why I hang my hat in the Philippines. God damn, I can't get any further away from that. I know you watching, baby, because I know you're a subscriber with your little fake account. But I'm alive and well in the Philippines. And I look good. I look good. Revenge is a dish best served cold. But I didn't even have to serve it. Karma. Karma, baby. Karma. Lived through some sad times. No sticking. First batch of fries. I got this ready for the babies here. I got one crying in there. He's hungry. Took me a little bit longer, but hey, sometimes you try to be a good dad, but cooking takes you a little bit longer. So I'm about to bring them in here. I'll continue cooking this. But it's time for them to come on in here and eat, my friends. Because I have thrown down. Ran away with your home. Whoa. Get in the pool. Get in the pool. Get in the pool. Yeah, one more cook. Fries are doing real well in the lid of the large 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker. Want to know how you can know I'm a rich man? That's a brand new Heinz tomato ketchup. Let me show you. I'm gonna open this joker up. Oh, look at that. Gordon motherfucking Ramsay don't know shit about that. Look at that. Brand new. Brand new. Look at that. You know I'm a rich when I got a brand new thing of Heinz. Oh yeah. Let me peel it off of there. Oh, look at that. Oh, smooth. Quarter blood technique. Bloop. Look at this. You want to know how you know I'm a straight up rich man? Look at this. Heinz ketchup, baby. Plenty of it too. Doomsday prepper. Doomsday prepper. A couple extras in there. Doomsday prepper. You doomsday preppers, y'all ain't got shit on me. Look at this. I have prepared a delicious meal for my babies and Forrest G's mother. That's just starters, folks. Just starters. It's coming. All right. I got plenty of hot dogs over there. Okay. And look. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wait a minute. Where's Fatima gonna sit? Fatima needs the heft. That's a Forrest G size plate right there. All right. So let's put a little Forrest G here. Maria over here. I mean, this is finger food, really. Get some drinks in order. Go ahead and call them in. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Come and get it. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Come and get it. Come and get it. All right, get up to that table, sweet girl. Come on for us, G. Get up there, boy. Fatima, you're over here. Let's go, baby. Old girl been angry at me all day due to some domestic issues. She's angry at the king. It's all right, baby. Be angry all you want. But once you sink them choppers into that fish, oh my God. How is it, baby? How is it? Tell me how it is, baby. Forrest G going in on the fries. Maria Mercedes in on the fries with the ketchup. That's not Filipino ketchup. That's Heinz, straight out of America. Baby, just tell me about the fish, please. Tell me about the fish. I'm curious. Dig into that fish, old girl. Give us a cross section. Don't be shy, baby. Dig, dig, dig. Dig, old girl. Dig, dig, dig. Dig. You need a knife, baby? Let me get the girl with strong arm. She needs a knife. But I'm already committed to the video. Let's go, go. Oh, here we go, here we go. It's okay. One of my daily successes / satisfactions / I just love cooking for the kids and the old lady, you know? I guess I need to start rephrasing. I love cooking for my children and Forrest G's mother. I love it. I love it. Thank y'all for joining us on tonight's video. Yeah, Filipino wife. Well, hold on. Forrest G's mother is still addicted to this monster show where the dude turns into a pig. His face turns into a pig. I still ain't figured it out. I'm not into it at all. Look at these babies. Maria, how's the food, sweetie? Yay! Maria, you ate all the fish and all the German sausage, huh? Was it delicious? No, but you ate it all.